This video explains how to buy shares of Zaptec ASA step by step. Zaptec makes electric vehicle charging systems and is listed on Euronext as ZAP.OL. This is educational content, not financial advice. You will need a broker to buy shares, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform's search box and enter the ticker ZAP.OL to locate the company listing. Make sure to select the Zaptec ASA entry that shows Euronext as the exchange. On the asset page, you will find basic company information and a price chart to review. Confirm the exchange and ticker to ensure it is the correct stock before proceeding. To invest, click the Invest or Buy button. Choose the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may execute later, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. Your open position will appear in your portfolio once the trade is executed. For the eToro link and more details, please see the description below.